parade.
Okay. Okay.
Oo. Para kumari, scripted na lang natin na gagawin yung parade.
And then dun, mangyayari din kasi yung cheer dyan.
After ng parade, nandito, tayo sa harap, tatawagin si Mayora, mag-speech. Speech, picture. Tapos after nun, bibigyan ng cake si Mayora. Surprise, walang cake, okay. Tapos speech ulit, picture taking. After nun, upo si Mayora, upo na rin kayo yung exit natin. Tapos cheer performance ng apat na school para nanonood si Mayora. Okay? Yun ang mangyayari sa parade. So gets? Line up, wala nang parade muna, nandun muna lahat. Prayer, after ng prayer, national anthem.
And then game.
Tatawagin si
Mayora.
and then game na. Warm up, game, first game. Tapos tuloy-tuloy lang yung game hanggat na dumating si Mayora. Okay? After nun, pag dumating na si Mayora, cut natin, parade, kunwaring opening, speech, cake, after ng cake, cheer dance performance. Okay? Malinaw? Okay.